Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to design a rainbow text effect using Adobe Illustrator. Guys, before we start, please subscribe and click the notification bell. I will really appreciate if you support my channel. Okay, now let's start. First up is choose the font, any font that you like, then type in any word that you like, then duplicate that text or font that you have created. Okay, create up to 4 duplicated text. Now we will change the color of the second text to yellow. The third one will be in orange. The fourth will be in royal blue, and the last one is in light blue. Okay, now click the first text and hold the shift key in your keyboard. Now while holding the shift key, click the second row, the second font. Now click the blend tool once. Now click the first text and again click the second text. So you must see the plus sign so that the blend tool will take effect. Okay, so that will be okay, let's try that again. Let's click the first text. Now click the second text. Okay, perfect. Now guys, don't forget to put the first text into front, transform, arrange, bring to front. Okay, so now I'll select the two texts once again, then double click on the blend tool. Click the now before you click the preview, just click the pop down menu, then click the specified steps, then put number 7, then click the preview. Okay, anyway guys, you can change, you can increase the numbers here, or you can decrease, so it depends on the style that you like. Hit OK. Now on the third text, we will apply that once again. Just click the second text and click, while holding the shift key again, click the third text. Now double click the blend tool, then preview. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, the second must be, so while blend tool is selected, click the second text, then click the oops, let's make sure that we have selected the second and the third uh, text. Okay, let's do that again. Click the blend tool, click the second text, now click the third text. Okay, so you must see the effect same as the first and the second text. So now we will apply the third and the fourth. Now click blend tool, click on the third, then click the fourth text, and again repeat that step to the fourth and the last text. Click the blend tool, click the fourth, and click the fifth until you saw this type of effect. Okay, you can change the colors of the text if you want. Let's check it out. And also you can also put outline if you want, like so. So that's how easy it is to create a rainbow text effect in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope guys you enjoy this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks guys.